So here's the table that we're going to use. It lists surface area, radius, diameter, height, and volume for various cylinders. Remember that the surface area is fixed all the way down the table. So we're going to begin by choosing a radius of 1 centimeter, which is the same as a diameter of 2 centimeters. And we're going to try and figure out the height and the volume in that situation, remembering that the surface area is fixed at 500 centimeters squared. So to calculate the height, we've got the formula for surface area as 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. We're going to substitute in the values that we know. We know that the surface area has to be 500. Pi is going to be 3.14. We're using a radius of 1. And again, pi is 3.14 in the second part of the equation, radius of 1, and our height is unknown. Simplifying this a little bit, 2 times 3.14 times 1 squared should give you 6.28. 2 times 3.14 times 1 should give you 6.28 also. And if we subtract 6.28, subtract this one from both sides, you end up with 493.72 equals 6.28 h. Now we need to get the height all by itself. So we'll rearrange this equation a little bit, and we need to divide by the coefficient or the number in front of h. So we've divided both sides by 6.28, leaving h all by itself, and when you do 493.72 divided by 6.28, you get a height of 78.62 centimeters. So we've updated our table. When we had a radius of 1 centimeter, we found out that the height is going to be 78.62 centimeters in order to give us a surface area of 500 centimeters squared. Next, we're going to try and figure out what the volume is going to be in this situation. So to calculate the volume, we've got the formula volume equals pi r squared h, and we'll substitute in the values that we know. We know that pi is 3.14. We're using the radius of 1 still, and we've got the height of 78.62. When you multiply all those values together, you're going to get a total volume of 246.87 centimeters cubed.